inside of them. My mommy says that there's people that try to stop. There's people stop. My mommy says there's people with hot dogs that like come and get you, and they try and take you to places, and they have hot dogs with mayonnaise inside of them, and they try and stick it in their buns, you know, if you're a guy. And my mommy says that you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't let them do that to you, so ignore them. I mean, who likes hot dogs with mayonnaise in them? So don't take their hot dogs, because it's not good. Okay? And then another thing my mommy says you should not fight, because you can hurt people. And if like somebody hurts you, you shouldn't try and fight them back, because they might hurt you more, you might hurt them, and then you'll get in trouble. And you don't want Santa Claus to give you coal.
Okay, so you're saying we shouldn't fight?
No, we should not fight. Hey, no! My mommy says, stop it! No, my mommy says you can't do that to people. Hey, my mommy says you can't do. Okay, you're asking for it. Mommy! Ah! My mommy says you can't do that to people. My mommy says stop it. Oh no, he's one of the guys with hot dogs. Oh my gosh! He's squeezing my hot dog. My mommy says fighting is not good, and people with hot dogs aren't good either. People with hot dogs aren't good. You're a person with hot dog, and I'm not gonna eat it because I don't like it. No, my mommy says stop. No. Okay, you're really asking for it. Mommy! There's a guy with a hot dog in here, and I'm not hungry. I just ate dinner, and it was not hot dogs. Stop it! I don't like hot dogs. I don't like that.
Fighting was not the right answer.
It's not.
Then why are you fighting me?
I'm not fighting. I'm trying to get away. Ah! My mommy says you can't do that. My mommy says you cannot do that. Because sometimes you'll just get hurt. And sometimes you'll hurt people's feelings. So don't fight people, okay?